Welcome to another lecture of iedubook.com, providing free education in maths, English, accounts, and science to students across the globe. You can visit us on iedubook.com for more lectures. Today we are looking at whole numbers, which is a question number 3 for the US grade 6 students or equivalent. Okay, which numbers do the following Roman numerals represent? So what we have done is we have taken 3 different numbers which will illustrate 3 different properties of Roman numerals, right? So let's see one by one. The first one is XXXV. Okay. Now we know that a repetition of a Roman numeral, now X basically in Roman numeral stands for 10 and V, if I may call it, stands for number 5. Right? So whenever you have a repetition of any Roman numeral, which is 3 times in this case for X, actually the repetition cannot be more than 3 times. Okay? That means you have to add all the 3 of them, 10 plus 10 plus 10. Each X stands for 110, so we add 10 3 times. Right? Which will make it 30. Okay? Plus V stands for 5, so we will add another 5. 30 plus 5 or 35. Right? So next we have CM. Now what does C in the Roman numeral stands for? C stands for 100 and M stands for 1000. Right? So basically we have something wherein we have 100 here and 1000 here. Right? Now, one of the properties of Roman numeral is that if there is a smaller numeral on left of larger numeral, we reduce smaller from larger numeral to get the value, right? So which is the larger numeral here? 1000. So CM will be equal to what? 1000, which is the larger number, or the value of M in this case, minus 100, which is the value of C. This is nothing but basically M minus C. Why? Because we had C on the left side of M, okay, and C is less than M. So this will be 900. Similar would have been the case, let's say for example, if you had I and V. I represents what? 1. V represents what? 5. Right? So if you were to get the value of IV, you would have written what? 5 minus 1 or 4. If a smaller number is placed on the left of a larger number, you basically reduce the value of the smaller number from the larger one. Right? Let's look at the third one, which is basically CIX. Okay? Now, what does this stand for? We know that the value of C is equal to what? 100. I is equal to 1. X is equal to 10. Right? So if you try to break up this number, what is happening here is that there is a smaller number I, which is 1, right? Which is placed between 2 larger numerals, which is 110. Both 110 are 100 and 10 greater than 1. Right? Now what does this mean? There is a property of Roman numerals which says that if a smaller number is, which is I in this case, is placed between 2 larger numerals, okay, I, then you have to subtract it from the number which is after this particular number, which is 10. So how do we write this? We write 100 for C plus. Now 1 or I is less than X. X is also the number which is immediately following I in this case. So we will subtract it from the value of X, or we just write this as C plus X minus I. or 100 plus 9, 109, which is your answer. Right? With that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you would have liked this. You can hit the like button if you like this video. You can share it with your friends, and you can visit our website to see more than 1500 video lectures as on date of the preparation of this video, which are all available for free to create an educated world. Thank you very much.